Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to break down Lucent Globe's winning ad, an ad that is driving them 6 figures in revenue every single month. And I'm also going to break down the copywriting framework that allows them to do this time and time again. Let's jump straight into it. So this is Lucent Globe. It's an alternative dishwasher detergent brand that aims to be eco-friendly, safe, and a lot cheaper than current options on the market, specifically in Australia as well. This ad has most likely driven multi-6 figures, if not 7 figures in revenue for their business, and they create variations of this exact concept over and over again to keep it new also. So the main thing I want to speak about within this video is the exact structure that they're using within their creative to generate this winning ad time and time again. And the name of this winning formula is PADS. P-A-D-S. Problem, agitate, discredit, solution. The benefit of the PADS formula is it answers the questions that customers would have in the exact order that they'd otherwise think about them, making it a really easy way to digestibly get the information to them. So first thing is the problem. Identify a problem that your target audience faces. The second thing is to agitate that problem. Explain to them exactly what's going to happen if they continue to ignore that issue. The third thing is discrediting, so explain why current solutions are flawed or inadequate. And then finally, the solution. At this point, your customer is begging to be told exactly what they need to do to solve their problem. And at this point is when you give them the solution. So let's break this down with Lucent Globe's video.
Most Aussies don't actually use detergent to wash their dishes. They use bleach. And that bleach is crazy expensive.
So I'm going to throw up the hook on screen for the ad. This implies that Aussies are doing harm to their own health through the dishwashing cleaning methods that they choose to use. This is an impactful hook because obviously bleach and food shouldn't be going together, and the idea that you're involving food and bleach with some of the cleaning methods that you're using at the moment is hugely impactful. This works really well as a hook because you're putting two things together that should never be together. The idea of eating food off something that has been covered in bleach is kind of gross and obviously is really unhealthy. So in my mind, I want to understand why that's the case and what are the solutions that exist already to solve that problem. The next section is the agitating part of this ad. In Australia, dishwasher detergent is super expensive, around $48 for a month's supply of dishwashing tablets. So as a result, this works really well, partnered with the fact that it's also unhealthy for you. So it's not only is this unhealthy for you, but you're also spending a fortune to affect your own health. In Australia, dishwasher detergent packs are around $48 a pack, which is super expensive. This is something that Australians have to experience and have to buy every single month, so it's something that they viscerally feel as a pain. In addition to this works well as an agitating problem because it says not only is this unhealthy for you, but you're spending a lot of money to damage your own health, which works really well. In the next section of the video, they jump into discrediting legacy brands.
Why are you eating off this? Because big brands have brainwashed Aussies into buying their expensive plastic bags full of...
They discredit not only the product of the big major brands, but also discredit the morality of these big corporations as well. The message is these people don't care about you, they want to take advantage of you and they want to manipulate you, and they don't care if this is at the expense of yours and your family's health. This paired with what's about to come next works really well. So the next part of the video is the solution. By this point in the video, if done correctly, your customer should be biting to know the solution to the problem. And this is exactly what Lucent Globe do. They build up the big corporations to be the bad guys who want to take advantage, and then they slide in and position themselves as real people with a real business with the aim of helping their community, positioning themselves in this bad guy versus good guy position, or this little guy versus the big guy type of situation. And what's funny is that these guys are probably doing multiple 6 figures at a minimum, if not potentially pushing towards doing 6 figures a month. And once again, in the grand scheme of things, this isn't a massive business, but they're nothing to laugh at either. And finally, they reach the call to action on their washing
whilst also supporting an Aussie small business. Head to lucentglobe.com.
This is an amazing CTA that wraps everything up together. Ultimately, the main point of this CTA is if you want to support the good guys, go to our website. If you want to continue supporting people who take advantage of you and don't care about your health, support the bad guys and don't click on our ad. This works really well as they've pieced it together perfectly throughout the ad, and the CTA at the end makes perfect sense for everything that they've spoken about within their video so far. So what are the key takeaways and what are the things that you should be implementing in your ads as a result of watching this video? Number 1, does it follow a strong copywriting framework? Next time you're creating an ad, try out PAD. Remember, it means problem, agitate, discredit, solution, and then at the end throw in a CTA as well. The second thing is, have you tried making some founder-led videos? Make your brand more relatable and more trustworthy. Ultimately, if these guys didn't feature within this video, this wouldn't have the same trustworthy and moral energy and vibe they otherwise would have had. So give it a go. Try out some founder-led videos that will give you a lot more trust with your customers and audience. Just because you might be the little guy within your market doesn't mean that you don't have an edge. Position yourself as the good guy and all the bigger brands as the bad guys who don't care about you. This is exactly what Lucent Globe have done really well within this video, and as a result, it appeals to people's heart, and as a result also appeals to this sort of community feel and supporting of guys who are within their community, who are just like them, who are trying to help them out. And then finally, does your CTA fit within the greater scope of your video? Don't just do a shop now or a click now. Explain why they should click, right? Ultimately, within this video, the reason why they should click is to support the good guys. And the reason why they shouldn't is because they want to support the bad guys. So this is something that will play on people's heartstrings and will lead to people clicking further into the funnel, even if they perhaps aren't as interested in the product. And worst case scenario, people help and share your product with their friends or someone else who might be interested in it. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it's been beneficial for you. Please remember to try out the PADS framework the next time you're creating an ad. And if you want completely done for you ads, click the link below. I'm one of the guys behind VidX, and we create done for you ads based on the same frameworks that I've discussed within this video. At the moment, we're running a free ad offer. If you want to get a free ad just to test it out, click the link below. You lose absolutely nothing if you don't like it. And below will also be a link to our Discord if you're looking for some guidance and support from guys who have already been successful within dropshipping and e-commerce. Feel free to join that Discord. 7-figure e-com business owners are in there every single day, offering value to people just like yourself. And if you have any questions, that's the best place to ask them, and you'll be able to get quick feedback to then implement within your business. But that's everything. Thank you very much. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.